Hello again, my friend. Celina here with another video to help you on your SAT/ACT journey. This video is the last in a mini-series in which I'm going to show you spiffy ways to make SAT/ACT prep fun. Well, at least make it less torturous. But in all seriousness, I've been sharing my favorite ways to practice key skills for the test that don't really feel like work. Pretty sweet, right? Rounding out this mini-series is the essay. I'm pretty excited about this idea because regardless of whether you're taking the SAT or the ACT, you get to argue your point during the activity. And who doesn't like to argue? Now, a quick note. Group participation makes this one even more fun, so don't be afraid to round up a couple friends for a meetup or a Zoom call. Or just harass your siblings or parents. You didn't hear that from me. Now, before I get to what you'll actually do, I'll brief you on each of the essay tasks. For the SAT essay, you'll be presented with a passage in which the author argues his or her position on a given issue to the audience. From there, you'll be tasked with writing an analytical essay that describes how the author convinces his or her audience to take that same position. The fun part. A couple options here. You can explore Google for persuasive pieces like speeches, essays, and the like on different topics, both contemporary and not. And more power to you if you find some that you're passionate about, as this will help you get comfortable with the task more quickly. Next, put yourself into the audience's shoes as you envision the author speaking the text to you. Take notes on how you feel as you listen to the author's words in your mind, including arguments, specific techniques, and other persuasive tools used to influence you, an audience member. Once done, you'll have a framework of what you would write in an essay on the live test. Or if you're looking for something more adventurous, pick a position on a topic of your own choosing, then write a brief script to read to a couple friends to convince them to take your side. No worries if your topic isn't fancy. The focus here is to get you into the mind of the author to help you practice influencing your audience, just like the author of the essay prompt will. Now for the ACT essay, you'll be presented with a multifaceted topic and a question on it, followed by 3 perspectives. From there, you'll be tasked with writing a persuasive essay in which you take a position, defend it, and engage your perspective with at least one other. The fun part. Pick a multifaceted topic to argue about. Think about the different perspectives someone might have and how you would engage and refute theirs with your own perspective. If you're not sure what topics to try, that's okay. Google will help you here too. Search for solid debate topics and you won't be disappointed with what you find. And now I want to hear from you. What tactics do you use to make SAT/ACT essay prep fun? And afterward, don't forget to press that subscribe button to be the first to know about new videos to help you on your SAT/ACT journey. Until next time, stay healthy and stay sane.